Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree and I did it. So I got Happy Mail and yeah, I'm excited to use this because this has been waiting for me to open it for the longest and I am ready to use it. Of course, I've already took it out, looked at it, all of that. So let's see what we get. And also I'm going to hold on. So I'm back. I ordered 2 things from Coach to determine which one I want. And first we have, let's see if I can get it open. So we have this, which is the Coach zip card case. And let's see if I can take this off. I may need that. I may need to take it back. Hopefully not. And I've also ordered my sister her favorite perfume in the toiletry. So Dolce & Gabbana light blue. Got that in the mail as well. So this is the zip card case. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. And let me do this here. Too much information showing. Hold on. I can't let y'all see all my information. Back, and I found some cards that don't have numbers on the front. So this is my Discover card, Chime card, Leaders debit, and Leaders credit card I'm going to be using. So we have that one. We have this one here. And this one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the inside, here is the information for the card case. Trust me, I did not pay that much. I only paid $45 for it. I think some are on sale now for $41. And it has this here. And of course this to keep the thing open. So, let me get the rest of this out. This is what the inside looks like. Of course, I did already open it, but I haven't used it. And I think I kind of scratched the bottom of it, but that's okay. So, where's the other wallet? So, with me using this little wallet, this is how they both compare. And Jasmine, are you on my leg? Anywho, this is how they both compare. This one is from Pink Uni Budgets. And this one also came with these dividers. But this is how they compare. As you can see, this red one is a little bit bigger. And if you put them like this, the red one is just a little bit wider. And this is what the bottom looked like. Let's see if I can get them side by side. Yep, that's it. Jasmine, what are you trying to do? So, when I saw this I actually was looking for a new wallet. I looked on TikTok. I saw this, and yeah, I've been eyeballing this thing for a month. They had one in red. I'll insert the picture there. But it is out of stock. They just restock one that's in pink that looks like this. They also have it in black, a cream color, and the other signature canvas that looks like this but a lighter brown. So I thought about just using this here for my wallet, since I'm quote unquote digital budgeter now. And let's see how much cash can fit in. So right now this is empty. It doesn't have a what is it called? It doesn't have a, I can't think of the word, but I'll put it there. So let's see how much cash can fit. So this is $300 that I've been holding on to for dear life, because I mean, look at these. They look so fake, but they're real. I've been holding on to these $300 for months now. So let's see how money fits. So we still have room if we need to add more cash. And what I'm going to do is, so I just found some prop money. So we have all of these hundreds. And what I'm going to do, as you can see, this is quite amount of hundreds. So what I'm going to do is fold the money and see how it'll fit in here on top of the $300 I have. So we still got space left, and I'm going to so now this wallet is empty. Let's see how all of this fits with the tab dividers. Make sure I have it in. Okay, so these are with the tab dividers. As you can see, they sort of stick out a bit at the top. And yes, I'm ashy because I just washed my hands. Don't worry about it. So they kind of stick out at the top, but this still zips up. And I feel like I have a bit more room. So let me see what other credit cards can fit. So I just added 3 more cards. And hold on, let me let Jasmine out. So I have 3 other cards that I'm going to, So I have 3 other cards I'm going to add. Of course, I would not have that many cards in my wallet. And it's still not really thick right here. So this is what it looks like. It has a chain on it, and also the chain doesn't mess with the zipper. So they are 2 separate things. I'm able to, you can put this on your keys if you want, or you can just carry it around like this. But yeah, I'm going to use this one, I believe. And so yeah, there's that. And next we have, it's this in a darker color, but I had to compare the 2 before figuring out which one I wanted to truly keep. Oops. So this is the Multifunction wallet by Coach. As you can see, it's a bit longer than the card case, but the card case is just a little bit bigger. I truly wanted this one, but I didn't like this color, and now they're out of stock, which I'm sad about. So let me show you all what it looks like. Jazz, what are you doing? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see how the cards fit in here. So this is everything I'm taking out of the wallet. Well, so this is everything that just came out the card case. As you can see, it yeah, it can hold a lot. Now let's see what this holds. Of course, it would hold just a bit more because it is a little longer. Oh. As you can see, when it comes to the dividers, they won't be able to fit because they're too tall. So if we take those out, everything else fits properly. And of course, you still have room. Of course, this will not hold lip chap that looks like this. Hold on. This will not be able to hold this because it's too tall. But if you had something smaller, of course, you still got a bit more space in there. And this is what it looks like. I guess it's letting me know that I can double up if need be. And where's another card? Let's try this one here. We'll have one more card slot here. Of course, with the cards being in, this is a little tight right here. But this is how it would look overall if you were to add all of your cards. Also, when it comes to adding, let's say, a little mini envelope that's this small. And if we compare it, Jasmine, what are you doing? If we compare it to this, if we cut the sides and the tab off of this divider, it would fit. And this is what it looks like if we add it to it. And I'm just going to put it in that slip pocket, which in the slip pocket, let's see, it doesn't fit because it'll be too tall. But if we just put it in like that and scoot it over a bit, as you can see, this is what it looks like if we were to zip it. You see it's kind of tall. So if you wanted to add mini envelopes, you could. You may just have to take off just a little bit to add them. So this is it. And my best friend already said she wanted to buy this. Of course, I can take it back to the store because I think their return policy has been extended to sometime in January. So this is what that one looks like. That one. So let me know down below which one of these would you carry around for your daily wallet. Of course, with this one, you do have this, no chain, and it doesn't affect the zipper either. So if you want to add your keys, you would be able to do so. And just like this one, you would be able to add your keys as well. So I do hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I just got off work. As you can see, I clearly don't know what I'm saying, but I'm trying to make as many videos as I can because today was a hot mess at work. We were busy. I've been talking to people since 7:30. And my last customer, he thought we were able to give him information that we didn't have. And that was a hot mess. So thank you all for watching. Have a great rest of your day.